pull up. Look at that tank. Holy. Hey everybody, Jay Ball, Blue Jays Outdoors. Welcome back to the channel. And as you saw from the intro, this is going to be my very first steelhead fishing video. So I'm really excited to show you guys this part of, I guess, my fishing journey that I've never really got a chance to share before. So this trip is pretty special. This is the very first time that I've actually taken my brother and my nephew steelhead fishing on my Nitro. Yes, I'm using my Z21 bass boat to troll for steelhead, and it was a pretty epic day. I do apologize because it was really windy. Wind was blowing about 15 to 20 miles an hour, so the audio is not the best. But we did end up catching 3 steelhead. I got my nephew's very first steelhead on video, and then my brother's PB steelhead, which you guys will see as well. So it was a really epic day. Hope you guys enjoy watching this video, so check it out. They might not be in this fast water. They might be up in the slack water. I wonder if they really are in the fast water. Maybe not. Let's see. Oh, I just broke them off. Are you serious? I broke them off. Straight up just ate it. Are you serious? There was, and I broke them off. One of these days I'll figure this stuff out. There he is. Ah, I spit it. Dang it. Crap. 0 for 3. They're here though. It's actually not a bad thing. I can see that whole rod holder move. All right, Aiden's very first steelhead. All right, what I want you to do, Aiden, just stay where you're at. I want you to walk up front here. I want you to walk up front and walk to the front of the boat. Okay, just take your time. All right, and keep your hand on the reel.
You got it.
Yep.
Keep that tension on.
Yep. Now, when you think yeah, you're good. Just keep reeling. You're just hanging on her now. Now, if he starts to come over the boat, you need to put the rod in the water so the line doesn't touch the boat. You're good. Just stop reeling. There's a log right there. Come back. Yeah, come back here. Come back here. Reel. Keep the line. Keep the line tight. Keep the line tight. All right, you're good. You're good. You're good. You're clear. Just let it run. Just let it run. Just let it run. No, just keep your tent. Keep the rod tip up. Just keep the rod tip up. You just gotta keep it nice and smooth. Keep your hand on the reel. Hand on the reel. There you go.
Oh, can't give it any slack. You got cold now?
No.
You're gonna be steaming after this stuff.
Pass that log, yeah. There you go. You're good. You're good. All right. Gotta keep the line out of the motor. So just you're good. You're good. Bring it over the rod, over the motor, over here. All right. Come to the other side. Come to the other side. There you go. That's a nice fish. All right, other side. There you go, you got it. Yeah, I didn't look at bass, man. You gotta let her tire out. She's a big fish. All right, reel, pull up. There you go, just nice and gentle. Yep. Do it again. Yep. You're good. You're good. Just keep reeling. All right. She's kind of mad. You're good. They don't give up, man. They are mean. There you go. You've got it, Aiden. You're doing perfect. Good job. It's nice, smooth reeling. Reel down, pull up. Yep. All right, stop reeling. Just pull up really nice and smooth. Nope. Rod tip over here. Over here. All right, reel down again. Reel down again. Stop reeling. Pull up. Pull the head towards me. Nope, not yet. There we go. Look at that.
Oh my God.
Look at that fish, bud. Nice job, man. Hand me those pliers. Oh, that's awesome. Yep. Aiden's first ever steelhead. Let me back up. Awesome job, man. Congrats. All right, here, we'll put her back. Sorry, she's 29. 2 more inches and it's a master angler. Here, take the net, put the net back in the rod holder. All right, this is one of the best feeling steelhead fishing right here. There she goes. So I think he's hooked now. Giant steelhead. You getting it, bud? That is a beast, man. Man, that's a beast.
Just hanging out the bottom.
That is a stud, man. That is a giant. Keep his head down. Put the rod tip down. Anytime you see him boiling like that on the surface, you want to keep his head down. Yep, you're good.
Come up again.
Yep. Just
See really well.
yeah. You're just hanging on right now, man.
Yeah.
You're good. There you go. Keep his head down. Perfect. You're doing a great job. It's a big, smart fish. Man, that's a giant.
I think I was doing those forearm exercises for weeks on end.
Oh my gosh, that's a tank, man. Rod tip down, 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 down. Down, down, down. There you go. Gosh, that's a beast. You're just hanging on for the ride, bud. All right, go ahead and walk up front where Aiden's at. Just take your time. Jeez. Dude, that is a monster. That is a monster. Look how wide that tail is, man. Yeah. That thing is huge. Rod tip down, 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 down. There you go, perfect. Good job. He gets that head of the wire and starts shaking, he'll throw it. Down. Perfect. If you got to put that rod tip in the water, man, dump it in the water. Yep. Just nice and easy, just nice and easy. Don't force him. Just let him take his time. Yep. Holy crap. No, don't leave slack. Don't do that, man. Do not put that much slack in that line. Reel down, pull up. Reel down, pull up. Reel down, pull up. Reel down. Nice and smooth. Pull up, pull up, pull up, pull up, up, up. Look at that tank. Holy shit. Holy crap, man. That is a giant. Whoo! Holy crap.
That was a good catch,
Oh. Look at the size of that steelhead, man. I got it. Woo! Holy crap. That is a giant. Look at that fish, man.
That is huge.
Huh?
What is that? Is that a trout?
It's steelhead, yeah. All right. Give me the pliers, Aiden. Jeez.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh.
It's probably close to 14. It's up to you if you want to keep them or not.
Cooler them.
Huh?
Cooler them.
All right.
Let's eat them.
Man, that's a giant.
That was a nice hook, Mr. Ball.
Oh, missed him. Dang it. It's too quick. I was too quick on him. Get the rod holder, man. Still there? Oh, that's a nice one. Just hang on to him. Just hang on to him. All right, hand it to Rod 8. Don't let any slack in that line. No slack whatsoever. Jason, I'm gonna hand you the rods. All right, yep, just, all right, take this rod up. Just real nice and smooth, just nice and easy. You got it. You got it. Wow, that's kind of, I was like, are you gonna grab the rod? You need me to grab for it. Rod tip up, Aiden. Rod tip up.
I'm trying not to rip off your rod.
I don't care. Rod tip up. There you go. Good job. We're parked. Rod tip down, down. There you go. Keep his head down, down. Nice smooth moves. Smooth. You got it. It's all got to be nice and smooth, okay? Come off. You got to keep it smooth, man. You can't do a lot of the fast jerking and stuff, but it's okay. It happens. We'll get another one. That's two real quick right here. It's all about nice, smooth moves, man. I think they're starting to turn on. Yeah, looked down, saw that rod hitting, and I'm like, hey, you ain't gonna rip that rod holder out there. How awesome was that? Again, I tried to do the best job I could recording this very first steelhead trip. I was trying to get the kinks worked out and, you know, get the rod holder situation figured out and what rods I wanted to fish where and just try to get everything figured out. But I will do a better job, I promise, in the future, trying to document this entire process. And I really want to show you guys just the sheer raw power that these fish have. I don't think these fish get enough credit. And in this video, I wasn't able to get any of the actual fish hits where the rod hits and almost touches the water, but I promise you I will try to get that on video. It was super windy this day, as you guys saw. It was super cold too. It was like 27 degrees, but that 15 to 20 mile an hour winds was really, really hard. Hands were really cold, so it was really hard to get some content, but I'm hoping in the next couple weeks I can get some more content and really try to do a better job of showing you guys just what the steelhead fishing in Michigan is all about. So really do appreciate the support. Can't thank you guys enough. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you know anytime I post a new video. And yeah, stay tuned for more of this exciting steelhead stuff. Again, remember, the easiest way to change your attitude is by showing gratitude. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the water next time.